Welcome back. Today, we will continue our honest review of different acrylic paint brands. The friendly people at Hippie Crafter contacted us and asked if we would review their paint set. They sent us this beautiful box of pigments and we're delighted to do so. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more acrylic painting content like this. We're pretty excited to share our experience using these paints, and this video will help you understand if they might work well for you. If you want to check these paints out for yourself, there's information in the description below. Let's check out the packaging first. This Hippie Crafter acrylic paint set includes 20 colors in this attractively designed box. The packaging withheld shipping well and kept all the bottles unscathed. These pigments are listed as professional artist grade and feature ultra-pigmented color. Hippie Crafter acrylic paint is rated for indoor and outdoor use. It's water-based and non-toxic, which is essential. This paint set includes a nice thank you card and 20 bottles of paint, which are 2 ounces each. Each squeezable bottle is shrink-wrapped and has flip tops. It's easy to agree with the description of the rich, vibrant color advertised on the packaging. The 20 shades included in this set are more than proficient for most painters. There are lots of commonly used colors included, which will cut down on the time you may spend mixing your shades from a more basic set. Let's take a moment to test out each color to see what this set of paints has to offer. On canvas, this paint performs very well. The thick and smooth texture allows for instant, bold coverage. As you can see, this paint is just as pigmented as Hippie Crafter promised. The consistency of these paints is a heavy body style and they spread across the surface beautifully. A thicker paint like this doesn't allow for transparency so that you can get excellent coverage in just one swipe. This paint is so thick that you could experiment with impasto stylings before adding a heavy body impasto medium. These paints suit multiple surfaces, including canvas, paper, ceramics, glass, and wood. Hippie Crafter even offers a money-back guarantee if you are dissatisfied. Taking a chance on this brand of paints is easy, as you will see, considering the quality we found evident by testing it out. We tried it out on glass with surprising coverage on the first layer, which is especially impressive considering we purposely did not apply a layer of gesso or base color before applying deep blue paint. Because this paint is heavier body, it takes a little effort to blend out the brush strokes seen here. If you want a smoother application, use a gentle touch when applying this paint and smooth it out before it dries. Interestingly, the paint was still wet 45 minutes after application to this glass face and tacky 30 minutes after applying it to the canvas. This could be great news for people requiring more workable time. These paints perform well and their colors are vibrant, but one issue did happen with our paint set. Upon opening the shrink wrap and top on one of the green paints, we found that the paint was dried out inside and unusable. This set of pigments is brilliantly colored, intensely pigmented, and versatile. It can be used on several varying surfaces and will perform well for indoor or outdoor projects. These pigments are water-based and non-toxic, giving you peace of mind even if you use them around or with children. The current pricing per bottle, without any discounts, only costs slightly more than less pigmented craft paint brands and offers greater versatility. If you want to find a new paint brand that will perform well, Hippie Crafter acrylic paints are undoubtedly worth your time. If you want to check them out for yourself, please use the code HIPPIE10 at checkout on hippiecrafter.com. These paints are available on Amazon as well. We will include clickable links in the upper corner of this video and in the description below. Thank you for taking the time to learn about these paints with us. We enjoyed testing them out and letting you know what they're capable of. Try these paints out and let us know how you feel about them in the comments below. If you're a member of our Facebook group, share your artwork made from these paints and let us know what you think about them. We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more helpful acrylic painting content like this. Expand your acrylic painting skills by taking one of our free courses. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses.